Ruger proved that budget does not mean broken, but 10 other pistols under $400 beat the logo tax, and they outperform brands charging twice the price. No hype, no overpriced names, just 10 honest picks. Let's count down. Number 10, Taurus G3C, $229, 12 rounds, 3 magazines in the box. No other gun at this price ships 3 magazines. That detail alone saves you $40 before you leave the store. This is a carry tool, not a flex gun, not a range toy. Just a reliable striker-fired compact that the concealed carry community has run through hundreds of thousands of rounds with documented reliability after break-in. The no-junk factor is simple. 3 magazines, 12 rounds, a manual safety option, and a price that nobody touches. You are not buying a premium gun. You are buying a reliable tool at an honest number. Skip it. If your budget stretches to $350, better guns exist at that number. Skip it if trigger quality matters to you at the range. You will feel the difference every session. Skip it if you want zero break-in. Budget 300 rounds before you trust this one. The next gun costs $70 more and gives you the entire Glock 19 aftermarket for free. $259, 15 rounds. Full Glock 19 ecosystem compatibility. Every holster, magazine, trigger, and aftermarket slide made for the Glock 19 fits this gun. That ecosystem is worth more than the price of the pistol itself. This is a range gun, a home defense gun, a truck gun. Palmetto State Armory built their reputation on millions of AR-15 components before they ever chambered a pistol. That manufacturing discipline carried over. The no-junk factor is the ecosystem. You are not just buying a Dagger, you are buying into the largest aftermarket support network in the history of handguns for under $300. Skip it if you need something smaller for carry. Skip it if Glock compatibility means nothing to you. Buy it if you want a full-size platform with unlimited aftermarket support and you do not want to pay Glock prices. The next gun has the best factory trigger of anything under $500. And it ships with a holster. Number 8. Canik METE MC9, $320, 11 rounds flush, 15 rounds extended. The best factory trigger on any striker-fired pistol under $500. That is not a marketing claim. Every independent reviewer who has put this gun against its competitors confirms it. Clean break, short reset, no hesitation. It ships with a holster, a cleaning kit, and 2 magazines. Accessories that would retail for over $80 sold separately. The no-junk factor is the trigger. At this price, a trigger this good has no business existing. Canik built it because Turkish manufacturers were not carrying the logo tax that American brands charge. You pay for the gun, not the history, not the marketing. Skip it if you need domestic American customer service. Skip it if $250 is your ceiling. The G3C handles that. Buy it if trigger quality is the most important thing on your list. The next gun has been in more American law enforcement holsters than any pistol ever made, and you can buy it used for under $400 right now. Number 7. Glock 17 Gen 4 used. $300 used. 17 rounds. Over 60% of American law enforcement carries a Glock. That number tells you everything about what this platform has proven. This is not a carry gun. This is a home defense gun, a range gun, a nightstand gun. Used Gen 4 pistols are flooding the secondary market right now as departments transition to Gen 5. Their trade-ins are your opportunity. A used Gen 4 with 5,000 rounds through it runs identically to a new one. The no-junk factor is the proof. Billions of rounds. Every condition, every environment. The Glock 17 did not earn 60% of American law enforcement by accident. Skip it if you need a compact carry gun. This is full size. Skip it if buying used makes you uncomfortable. Skip it if optics ready is non-negotiable. The Gen 4 needs slide milling for a red dot. The next gun is American-made, optics ready from the factory and thinner than a Glock 43. Number 6. S&W M&P Shield Plus. $350. 13 rounds flush. 17 extended, thinner than a Glock 43. That is the single most important spec on this gun, and it is not an accident. Smith & Wesson engineered 3 extra rounds into the flush magazine without adding a single millimeter of width. S&W customer service is domestic, fast, and unconditional. That warranty experience alone is worth $50 compared to what Taurus puts you through. The no junk factor is the combination. 13 rounds, American manufacturing, domestic customer service, thinner than the competition. At $400, that package does not exist anywhere else. Skip it if your budget stops at $300. Skip it if optics ready matters. The base model needs a separate variant. Buy it if you want the thinnest 13-round carry gun on the market with American support behind it. Quick one. If you like reviews that do not sugarcoat anything, subscribe to Gear Under Fire. We are here to save you from bad buys and logo tax pricing. Back to the countdown. Number 5. CZ P10C. $350, 15 rounds. The best factory trigger on a full-size striker-fired pistol under $500. You feel it on the first pull. Clean break, short reset, zero take-up hesitation. This is a direct Glock 19 competitor built by a manufacturer that has been supplying military and law enforcement since 1936. The frame ergonomics reduce muzzle flip on follow-up shots in a way the Glock 19 never managed at this price. The no junk factor is the pedigree. 88 years of military manufacturing distilled into a $400 pistol. You are not paying for a logo, you are paying for engineering. Skip it if compact carry is your priority. This is Glock 19 sized. Skip it if aftermarket support is everything. Glock has a decade head start. Buy it if you want the best trigger in a full-size striker-fired pistol under $400. The next gun launched the micro-compact capacity war in 2019 and is now available used for $300. $300 used. 11 rounds flush. 13 with an extended magazine. Smaller than a Glock 43 with more rounds. That engineering caught every competitor off guard when it launched, and they have been chasing it since. This is deep concealment. This is the carry gun for the days you cannot carry anything bigger, but still need something serious on you. Used Hellcats are moving through Gunbroker and Arms List right now as buyers upgrade to the Pro. The no junk factor is the used market correction. A used Hellcat with 500 rounds on it runs identically to a new one. You are paying $300 for a gun that launched at $500. Nothing changed about the engineering, only the price tag. Skip full retail. There is no reason to pay it. Skip it if 11 rounds flush is not enough. Buy it used and put the remaining $100 into ammunition and a quality holster. The next gun has the highest round count reliability data of any pistol under $400. Number 3. Glock 19 Gen 3 used. $280 used. 15 rounds. The most tested pistol in history. This is the one-gun household starter pistol, the nightstand gun, the range beater, the gun you buy when you want something that works every single time without exception. The used market is flooded with Gen 3s right now, and that flood is your opportunity. The no junk factor is the record. A Gen 3 with 10,000 rounds through it has 40,000 rounds of reliable service left. That is not a guess. That is documented. Skip it if optics ready is non-negotiable. The Gen 3 needs slide milling for a red dot. Skip it if you want the newest platform. This is a Gen 3, not a Gen 5. Buy it if proven reliability over every other specification is your single requirement. The last 2 guns on this list give that Glock 19 a reason to feel nervous. Number 2. Walther PDP Compact. $370, 15 rounds. The best factory trigger on any pistol under $600. Walther built the PDP with one goal: to beat every striker-fired competitor on trigger. They did it. Crisp break, short reset, zero take-up. The performance duty texture grip is aggressive enough for stress and comfortable enough for all-day carry. It is optics ready as standard. No adapter needed, no upgrade required. The no junk factor was the intent. Walther did not build the PDP for the display case. They built it for American law enforcement, and they priced it at a number that makes the Glock 19 look expensive on paper. Skip it if your budget stops at $350, because the CZ P10C handles that. Skip it if you need a carry gun smaller than a Glock 19. The PDP Compact is not a micro. Buy it if trigger quality is your primary specification and you want the most capable striker-fired compact under $400. The number one gun on this list costs the same as a used Glock 19 and ships with $100 worth of accessories in the box. Number 1. Canik TP9SF, $299, 18 rounds. 2 magazines, a holster, a cleaning kit, and worn tactical sights, all in the box. That accessory package retails for over $100 separately. Same trigger as the METE MC9. Clean break, short reset. Rated above Glock, above Springfield, above Smith & Wesson by independent reviewers who test triggers professionally. 18 rounds, full-size frame, optics ready, built to NATO specifications. The no junk factor is everything in the box. No other gun at this price ships with this much. Canik does not charge you for the logo. They charge you for the gun. That is what the logo tax is. And the TP9SF is what beating it looks like. Tell me I'm wrong in the comments. I'll wait. 10 guns, 0 logo tax. The brand on the slide does not determine what happens when you need it most. Drop your current carry gun in the comments. I want to see exactly how much of your budget went to the logo. If this saved you from a bad purchase, send it to someone who is still deciding. Gear under fire. See you in the next one.